So, naiba na yung mukha ng YouTube studio ko, guys. Tapos, pagtingin ko, ano na pala, na-reach ko na pala yung 4,000 na watch hours. Tapos, 1K na subscriber.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So it is Saturday, the 11th of April. 11th of April, yes, if I'm not mistaken, because we have been doing this working from home thing, guys, and I'm seriously losing track of the dates. But anyways, just to double check, I'll get my phone. So yes, it is 11th of April, guys, and guys, I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. That's why I'm here now, because I realized, like, Jovey, anong ginagawa mo? Like, why haven't you uploading videos? I miss uploading videos, and also I miss talking to you guys kasi pag nag-upload ako ng videos, you know, some of you here on YouTube that's watching my videos, you know, leaving comments, and I love reading them. So that's why I said, okay, we are going out today because we're going to the supermarket, and I thought I'm gonna take my camera and take you with me, and again, the norm, you know, show you what we do today. But before we're going to the supermarket, I am going to pick up something that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. So, as you know, diba, dito tayo sa bahay, scroll lang tayo sa Facebook, and then, Marketplace is very dangerous for me, because, like, I just tend to find things to buy from there. So, this time, yung nakita ko is yung, sleepwear siya from, what was the place? Peter Alexander. Yan yung place. And, they're known for their pajamas, like, you know, the sleepwear. And then, I saw it and I like it, and it was affordable as well. Like, I think that was for sale at the shop for $90, but then this lady, she said she received it as a gift, tapos hindi niya nagamit, and I think it's too small for her, that's why she's selling it, but she's only selling it for $15. So I think it's a deal, and then I'm just gonna go and pick it up, because I think she's only, I looked it in Google Maps before, and it says 11-12 minutes drive, so it's not a long drive at all. So I'm just gonna go there before we go to the supermarket. But apologies, guys, the lighting is not great today, because I'm in the bedroom and I'm just relying on the natural light. Tapos ngayon, it's very makulimlim sa labas, guys, because it has been raining all night, and yeah, kaya yun, guys, pasensya na sa lighting natin ngayon, hindi masyadong maganda. But anyways, it is it is freaking cold outside as well, guys. I'm gonna tell you, the weather right now, it's only 14 degrees, but have a look at your ate, guys, wearing this. Ano pa, guys, crop top pa si ate nyo. But anyways, just relax. So I'm gonna show you my outfit for today, guys, ha. So this top, actually, guys, what I'm wearing right now, they're all brand new. O, diba? Kasi, nag-shopping na naman si ate niyo, guys. Tapos, yung skirt ko is this. Tingnan natin kung makuha saan. So, ito yung skirt ko, guys. Ayan. Tapos, white flat shoes. And, kasi nga, diba, sabi ko, medyo maginaw. So, jacket tayo, ayan. Tapos, yung bag na gagamitin ko today is this one. Kasi nga, di ba, guys, we have been doing the social distancing, quarantine, guys, so we haven't been out, and hindi ko na nagagamit yung mga bag ko, guys. Kaya, ito yung gagamitin ko kahit dyan lang ako sa supermarket. Who cares, di ba, guys? But, yes, so, as mentioned again, these clothes are new, guys, and I am doing a Shein try on haul for you, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to upload that very soon. But for now, we're just gonna go, guys, because it's getting late. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon and we haven't done anything just yet. So we're gonna go now. I'll take you with me and I'll see you very soon. Bye. Hey guys, it's wet. It's been raining and it's really, really dark outside. So ayan na si Paris. Hi honey! Say hi! Hello! Hey guys, kakapasok lang namin sa garage guys. Tignan nyo oh. Umulan na naman siya. Oh my god. So hi guys, nandito na kami. Na-pick up ko na yung binili ko sa Facebook Marketplace. So diba nga sabi ko sleepwear. Okay. So ayan. Ayan yung top niya. Tapos yung bottom niya is this. There you go. Sexy guys. Sexy ng pantulog, parang hindi winter. Ayan, so sabi ko na nga guys, so ayan yung tag niya, tapos it shows the price which is $90 because it's $89.95. So can you imagine guys, it's like $90, I only paid $15. What do you think about that, Daddy?
Yeah, it's good.
So it's size small, although it looks like it's big. Very springy ang kanyang print. Ayan. I think it's gonna be big on me. Anyways. I'm not going anywhere anyways when I wear this. I'm just gonna go to bed. But you know, when you go to bed, it's good to still look good even when you go to bed. So ayan, I think it's I think it's worth it. Actually, it wasn't 11 minutes drive. It was more than that. At least 15 or 16 minutes drive, but it was not bad. There's no traffic at all because you know it's very quiet on the road. So that's it. Now we are heading to, I don't know if we go to Coles or Kmart, but Daddy wants to go to Kmart because bibili kami ng yung mga Easter egg para kay Paris. So tomorrow we're gonna do some egg hunting sa labas ng bahay. So yeah, come with us guys. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. I don't know if you can see me very well, pero medyo madilim siya. But si Mike pinalabas ko lang guys, pinapunta ko lang ng supermarket kasi as you can see in the back, tingnan nyo, tulog yung baby girl namin guys, kaya hindi na ako lumabas. Si Mike na lang yung pinalabas ko kasi alangan naman gisingin pa namin tong prinsesa namin, kaya andito na si Senyorita. So guys, nag-stop lang muna ako sa labas ng McDonald's kasi ginutom yung atin nyo guys. Anong oras na ba? Time check. 3 o'clock na ng hapon guys. So, tapos wala pa akong kinain. Tapos si Paris tulog pa rin. Kaya bumili na lang ako ng namili ko large double cheeseburger in the meal. So with the French fries, tapos yung frozen coke yung binili ko. Ayan, umuulan na naman. But gutom na talaga ako guys kasi kaninang umaga yung binilhan lang ako ng Mike ng hot chocolate. Tapos hindi na ako kumain. So walang breakfast, walang lunch. Ngayon ginutom na yung atin nyo. Pero ayan. You guys, very quiet sa loob ng McDonald's kasi nga 'di ba bawal yung dine-in, so take away lang. Normally yung mga tao ginagamit nila yung drive-thru, pero ako kasi may sira yung sasakyan ko guys kasi may buang na reverse back sa sasakyan ko ba dito, kaya nalumi siya guys. Ngayon hindi ko pwedeng move yung window down, so na-stuck lang siyang ganyan, kaya hindi pwedeng mag-drive-thru, kaya pumasok ako. But I think pagpasok ko, ako lang yung tao talaga dun, tapos paglabas ko may ibang tao na naman. Actually buanga anong panahon na wala, naririnig niyo yan guys,
Lakas ng ulan. Pero guys, may check up pala ako sa inyo. May news ako sa inyo. Kasi nga, ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ako guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Di ba nga, kasi nung nag-start ako ng YouTube, di ba, every night, tinitingnan ko talaga yung watch hours ko. Kasi nga, di ba, pag nakikita mo yung watch hours mo, parang namomotivate ka na, upload more videos. Tapos, yung ginawa ko a few days ago, pag-check ko guys, naiba na yung mukha. Tapos medyo na-shock ako, bakit naging ganito? Ano na pala guys, na-achieve. Ang ulan, nag-artigit siya guys. Hindi guys ako mutinog, basta hindi niyo ako marinig. Allah. Paulan aking mundo'y lunurin tuluyan. Yeah, Har's still sleeping. She doesn't care. She's very tired. Kasi late na siyang nag-nap. Ayan. Stop na ba? O ano na? Ano na ulan? But anyways, we'll keep going guys. Sinabi ko na nga. So, naiba na yung mukha ng YouTube studio ko guys. Tapos, pagtingin ko, ano na pala, na-reach ko na pala yung 4,000 na watch hours. Tapos, 1K na subscribers. So, ngayon, yung YouTube channel natin guys is, yung monetization niya is in progress na. Kaya, I'm very, very excited. Ewan ko guys, kasi merong note dun dahil nga sa pandemic na nangyayari ngayon. It might take a while para i-review nila yung account natin. So, I'm just waiting guys. Hopefully, hindi naman masyadong matagal, 'di ba? Pero kasi yung isang friend, si friendship ko na si Elgin sa The Lawless Family. Hi, Dai. Yung sa kanya guys, 3 days lang daw na pag nung in progress na 3 days lang daw na approve na agad. Kaya I thought, sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana nga 3 days lang. But it's been few days na ngayon guys. So hindi na ako nag-expect na ma-approve siya very soon kasi nga 'di ba, wala nang tao sa office ng YouTube guys kasi working from home, everyone's working from home dahil sa COVID. So ayan. But yeah, it's a very exciting news guys, right? I'm very happy. I can't wait to actually receive that email from YouTube sa Gmail ko na approve na yung account natin. But till then, I'm just hoping na ma-approve siya guys kasi nga 'di ba pero sa akin naman guys, sa channel ko naman wala namang copyright. So I think it will be okay. Kasi narinig ko guys at tapos sa mga na-research ko before na mga video. Medyo mahirapan kang ma-approve pag may mga may mga copyright strike, mga ganun. Pero yung sa akin naman guys, wala kasi lahat naman talaga na in-upload ko na videos, gawa ko naman talaga. They're all mine. Yung parang hindi ko kinapi, hindi ko download sa ibang tapos in-upload ko sa video sa channel ko. Lahat naman talaga guys, mukha ko. Kahit tingnan nyo guys, very first video ko, mukha ko na talaga yung makikita nyo guys. Kaya, yeah, sa isip ko lang, I think it's because of this COVID-19 guys. Kaya, hindi pa muna na-approve yung account natin. But, fingers crossed, hopefully, soon na yun guys. Pag na-approve na siya guys, I think magpapa-give away ako konti para yung kunting pasasalamat ba kasi 'di ba hindi ko naman ma-reach yung 4,000 watch hours ko tsaka yung 1K subs ko kung hindi dahil sa inyong mga nanonood. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Makikita nyo guys, may kamay dito sa guys, kaya nangangawat siya ng aking chips. I'll give you idea pala guys. Sa large double cheeseburger in a meal, siya guys, $10.65. It'll be 400 pesos. I think. Yung binili pala ni Mike kanina guys, lang. Ito yung milk. Pinabili ko sa kanya milk lang, tapos fabric conditioner. Kasi, ito nga guys, palaging umuulan. Tapos, nangangamoy yung ating mga labahin kasi hindi natin ma-dry. Wala din kasi kaming dryer guys. Kaya the other day, bumili lang ako ng yung tinatawag nilang clothes rack, however you wanna call it. Para kahit sa loob ng bahay, pag nagpapaheater kami, at least nadadry yung mga damit. Ngayon guys, while we're talking, may mga damit kami sa likod. Basang-basa na naman yun guys. Ilang araw na yun sa likod. Palagi na naman nababasa. But yeah. Yun lang guys, yung checkan natin today kasi gusto ko lang kayong i-update kasi nga 'di ba? Ilang na guys, isang week na akong hindi nakapag-upload. Nakaka-stress din naman kasi itong guys, social distancing. Naku, yung quarantine. Parang wala kang guys, work lang sa bahay. Tapos hindi ka makalabas-labas. Yun guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video. But from now on, ko na guys, motivate ko na naman yung sarili ko na mag-upload more ng videos kasi I know na yung lalo na yung may yung sumusunod talaga sa mga videos ko, char. Parang artista, may sumusunod sa videos. Hindi guys, may mga, especially yung mama ko guys, yun talaga number 1 fan ko. Pag nung hindi ako nakapag-upload, message siya talaga, tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya, hindi ka ba nag-upload ngayon anak? Yun yung mama ko guys, kasi yun yung niya, pang pastime niya ba, pinapanood niya talaga lahat yung videos namin, kasi yun lang yung way na parang makakonect siya kung sa tinitingnan yung apo niya, kasi nga 'di ba, malayo kami sa isa't isa, sa Filipina sila, kami sa Australia. So hindi ko na nga maalala when was the last time I was in the Philippines. I don't know, 2 years ago. But yeah, yun nga 'di ba? Uwi nga sana kami next month. 1 month na lang sana guys, uwi kami, but dahil nga sa mga pangyayari guys, hindi kami matutuloy. Kaya yun, itong mga videos ko dito sa YouTube, yun yung tinitingnan, pinapanood talaga ng mama ko guys. Kaya isa din yun siya sa dahilan kung bakit na-reach ko ang aking 4,000 watch hours. Thank you sa mama ko. Pero din guys, shoutout ko, mag-shoutout ako sa kay Sisi, kay Acosta, sis, thank you very much. I know since hindi day 1 ha, but before pa talaga, pinapanood niya talaga yung mga vlogs ko, kahit hindi naman masyadong maganda yung mga videos natin, pinapanood niya pa rin. So thank you very much Sisi, kasi hindi ka nang iiwan, 'di ba? Tapos si kay the Lawless family, ayan, Dai, thank you very much for watching as always. And congratulations pala dun sa guys, sa ating friendship na the Lawless family, kasi kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video niya guys, nag-upload siya ng video na ayun, she's pregnant. So I'm very happy for her, Dai, I'm very happy for you. Like nung pinanood ko yung video niya guys, talagang umiyak ako kasi ewan ko, naalala ko lang yung ako nung chinek ko first time nung buntis ako kay Paris. So parang bumalik yung yung alaala ko ba. Kaya umiyak talaga ako nung nakita ko yung video na sa yung pregnancy test na ang tawag dito, 2 lines ba. Kaya ayun, positive talaga na buntis siya. So I'm very happy. Sana lalaki naman this time para isang pair na magiging ate na talaga si Ate Ikang. But yeah guys, kung hindi nyo alam yung sinasabi ko guys na Lawless family, ilagay ko yung link niya sa baba para ma-check niyo siya. Like she's very funny and very outgoing, yung parang fight lang ng fight sa buhay guys. Very happy lang talaga yan siya guys. So make sure to check her out. But yun guys, hindi na ulan. 3:15 na guys. So yung gagawin namin ngayon, before maubos yung chips ko guys, kasi kinakain na ni Mike, magbababay na ako guys ha. I'll speak to you again soon. Magba-vlog na naman ako soon kasi ayan, kasi makapag-upload na ako nito. Ma-motivate na naman yung atin nyo na mag-upload. But if you have any questions, let me know. Leave any comments in the comment section below guys. Gusto ko talaga pag nagko-comment kayo guys, kasi feel ko na may nanonood ng video ko. But for now, I'm gonna say bye And thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.